Thursday. Playing as Jaden, by the way. I think I only have a few more minutes on this camera at the moment, so it might just randomly go out halfway through. I'd say if I'm dealing with someone like Mad Jack, I might as well bring my gun, but you know, whatever. Like, if, just dealing with someone called Mad Jack.
Mad Jack is suspected of stealing the car I'm looking for. Might be worth asking him a few questions.
Let's see if the guy in the crane knows where he is.
Can you stop that thing?
Oh, that's him. Okay. Cool tattoos, bro.
Norman Jaden.
Oh my
FBI.
god, it's Mr. T.
Can we talk for a minute?
Without the
I'm listening.
I pretty cool.
Can we go inside?
Because, like, you know, it's pouring rain out here, so.
24 hours. I've got less than 24 hours if I want to find Sean Moss still alive. Feeling sick. Got the sweats. Hands are shaking. Hope this works out. I'm looking for the owner of a blue Chevrolet Malibu 83. I don't give a damn how the car got here, whether you stole it or not. I just want to know who bought it from you. Sorry, man. Don't ring the bell.
Oh, really?
I got a real bad memory. Perhaps
Sucks.
I can help you to remember. If we find out that you sold the car to the man we're looking for...
Did I already say the name of the car?
We're looking at some pretty solid time inside, Jackie boy. You try to scare me with your big talk? I never saw your damn car. Let's take a walk.
Oh, really? Look at our skin tones. You think I care? I'm really sorry for that. Let's see if there's anything here anyway while he's gone. Because I had the option to turn. Okay. He has no idea. Oh, what the hell? There's already something.
Blood.
Ugh.
And why is there blood here?
There's a lot of blood. Oh, there's something there. It's just, I bet that's just like Mad Jack's footprints.
Size 10. Most likely a visitor.
Like 10. I'm size 12. Unless, oh wait, no, this is America. They have like different shoe sizes there. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of stuff over here. What's this? More blood. I'm not sure if you can read it, but I can. It says it's blood. How is there so much blood here?
Fingerprints. Probably Mad Jack's.
Well, they're on the tools, so I assume so. More footprints. That just seems to be, that's probably just the same footprints.
Size 10.
Yes,
Most
they're just
likely
the
a
same
visitor.
footprints, so. Oh, what's this? This is the tire tracks.
Not the car I'm looking for.
Well, there's a lot of stuff over here. Well, with this tire track.
Same brand of tire as the car I'm looking for.
Yay.
Is the killer's car being here?
Well, it said it was stolen by Mad Jack, so I say so, yeah. God, Jade, you're an idiot. What's this?
Few traces of blue paint. Same tire tracks. No doubt about it. Killer's car was here.
Huh. No, there doesn't seem to be anything else. What's this? Oh, I just accidentally looked at the same thing, right? Well, I think I've seen all there is to see. Take off the freaking glasses. Let's get out of here. Well, wait, what do I do? What do I do then? Like, what do I do? I guess if I just exit, I'll just leave automatically.
Hey,
Whoa!
you got
Oh, how'd you get behind me so quickly?
I'll come. Now that car, she bumped up real good. I painted her dangerous blue. You know,
Is that even a color?
Dangerous motherfucker that was driving her.
Oh, I did bring my gun with me, so it wouldn't matter either way.
I ain't got time to be playing around with you.
Time to kill Brad Pitt.
Finish you off.
Take the pipe, or take that, you know, whatever. Oh, I hit you with your own wrench. Oh crap, you punched me in the balls. Yeah. Oh crap, he has the pipe now. Nope, you can't get me. Wow, I'm doing well so far. I just fought with a crazy doctor, now I'm fighting with some crazy black mechanic. Ah, well that didn't work. Ow. Ah! My gun! Aha, I got you against the oil drums now.
I'm not fucking around. You're gonna tell me about the man
tough
with the
talk.
blue car.
Go fuck yourself in the ass.
Dude, I just beat the crap out of you.
Last chance, Jack. Make it easy on yourself.
What you gonna do? You ain't got them killer eyes, so what? You gonna cuff me?
I'll do it if I want to. Impressed.
Damn! You out of your motherfucking mind, man?
Oh shit, Jack. Ain't nothing to it. Just a little bit of self-defense. Page 1 of the police manual. Kill or be killed.
I like the way he's shaking his head out of frustration.
I'm trying to remember some things.
So scary you managed to jog your memory.
Well, I don't know nothing about the guy. He wanted me to get rid of his dirty car. Get him a new one with false plates. He paid cash, and I ain't the question of time. Said I was supposed to drop a word to a guy named Paco down at the Blue Lagoon when the car was done.
Isn't it the same place Madison's gonna go?
We'll continue this discussion down at the station. You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything...
Uh-oh. Oh no, withdrawal.
Shit, not now.
Yeah, not now.
Anything you say can and will be...
Hey, you look like you got a problem, man.
Yeah, my nose is bleeding and I've gone pale. What do you think? Okay, let's try. Oh crap, no, I'm taking the trip though.
Turn around.
What the hell am I doing? I actually had to use my upper lip to press the triangle. Wow, I actually did. That was interesting. I took the trip though. Let's see if he has anything to say. Oh, never mind. It's a Shelby level.